Exploring the heart of community, the village playground. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of English language learning by exploring the meaning and cultural significance of the phrase, village playground. This term is not just about a physical location but carries with it a sense of community, childhood memories, and social interactions. Let's embark on this journey together to understand its nuances and why it's important in both language and life. The term, village playground, refers to a public area within a village designed primarily for children's play. However, it's more than just swings and slides. This space is a communal area where families gather, children play, and community bonds are strengthened. In many cultures, the village playground is seen as the heart of the community, providing a safe and inviting space for outdoor activities, socialization, and communal events. Village playgrounds typically feature a variety of play equipment such as swings, slides, seesaws, and climbing frames. These elements are designed to foster physical development, creativity, and social skills among children. Beyond the play equipment, village playgrounds often include open areas for running and games, benches for seating, and sometimes even gardens or natural elements to explore. The design and features of a village playground can greatly influence the social interactions and community feel of the space. The village playground plays a crucial role in community life. It's a venue for children to make friends, for parents to connect with neighbors, and for community events to take place. Through shared experiences at the playground, a sense of belonging and community identity is fostered. Celebrations, festivals, and informal gatherings at the village playground strengthen community ties and create lasting memories for both children and adults. Understanding the phrase, village playground, offers valuable insights into English language learning beyond vocabulary. It introduces learners to cultural concepts such as community, socialization, and public spaces. Discussing the village playground in an English learning context can help students connect language with real-life experiences, making language learning more meaningful and engaging. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the vibrant world of the village playground. This journey through the heart of community life not only enriches our understanding of the English language but also connects us with the universal values of community, friendship, and belonging. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll carry these insights into your journey of language learning and beyond. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.